What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake your COPI tokens on the staking pool. If you need to purchase COPI tokens, I already made a video about step-by-step how to set up wallet and how to purchase COPI tokens, and I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description below. And then first thing we need to do, we're going to go to this website right here, and then in here, we need to press on Connect Wallet. This window is going to appear, same thing, choose MetaMask, choose Correct Wallet, and then Next, and then connect. Once the connection is established, it's going to show us our BNB balance. And then if we scroll down right here, and then in here, we need to enter amount of COPI tokens, or we can press on deposit max. That's what I'm going to do. And this is the percentage that I'm going to be getting. And then minimum 60 days staking to get API, and program duration is only 90 days. Also keep in mind, you can always come back and unstake, but if you do that, you're not going to get your reward. And then press on approve COPI. Then this window is going to appear. And then we're going to see all the details. Minimum staking time 60 days. Last day to earn APY, May 11th. And then portion from total is going to be this percentage here. And then press on approve COPI. Then this window is going to appear. This is basically the transaction fee we're going to have to pay. So anytime you are doing any kind of transaction with COPI token or any other tokens, you always have to have a little bit of BNB in your MetaMask wallet, because that's what you're going to use to pay for gas fees. And then press on confirm. And then this window is going to appear. We need to scroll down again and press on confirm one more time. Again, estimated gas fees and total, confirm. And that's it. Staking is complete. We can close this right here. And if we're going to open up MetaMask assets, you're going to be able to still see your Binance balance, but COPI tokens are gone because we are deposited and we are staking in here in this pool. And then if we scroll down, you're going to be able to see your position here. And then we're going to come back in 60 days and we're going to withdraw and harvest all the funds and all the rewards that we're going to be able to get with this staking. This is pretty much it. All the information and all the links that I've used in this video, I'm going to leave in the description below. And if this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.